everybody, we have something really special today. We are doing an escape room style class, but your task is to escape Staff Mountain. There is one mountain for each team, okay? So everybody, you're gonna be divided into 4 teams, and your team, you'll need to decide a team name. You can add that here, and your job is to complete 4 tasks that will allow you to get to the top of the mountain, unlock the 3 secret passcodes that will unlock the helicopter that will allow you to fly to safety and escape Staff Mountain. So to complete the final task, this one here is your final task. You have to be able to figure out what the letter names are of each note. So I'm going to give you a clue, which is also included in one of your first tasks. Every note has a place on a line or in a space. So you got to figure out, hey, is this note on a space or a line? This one happens to be on a space. And then you have to figure out what letter name is assigned to that space, assigned to that line. You're going to learn that through the tasks that you complete. Once it's completed, you'll be able to decode these secret words. Make sure you read left to right. And once you do that, you'll be able to get in your helicopter, fly away, get out of here. All right, so on the table over by the closets, there are 4 posters, 1 for each group, and there are 4 tasks. These are labeled in the envelope. So the task says, task number 1, escape Staff Mountain. To escape, you must be an expert in the territory you are trapped in. Place the vocab cards to label the parts of the staff. And then, task number 2, write the numbers on the staff to number the number of lines and the number of spaces. You need to show me how many lines are part of the staff, how many spaces are part of the staff. There's little Velcro dots on each of the posters that for you to place the things that are in your envelope. So in this envelope, there's a clue. It might help you on this task. It might help you on a later task. And then there's also other things. This one has vocab cards, and these vocab cards, you have the definition on, or the word on one side and the definition on the other. Use those clues to figure out where do they get placed. If you get it correct, or you think you got it correct, you're going to then bring it to your teacher. They will check it. If it's good to go, you're going to take everything that was in the envelope, put it back in the envelope. If it is taped to the poster, do not take it off. Leave it on the poster. The Velcro stuff is what comes on and off. Anything you write on the poster also needs to be cleaned up. So erase everything you've written and then put it back on the table. Please keep this neat. Please put everything that you took out of the envelope back in so that I don't have to go and figure this out when I come home. Please do that for me. Okay, so that's task number 1. You're going to place the vocab cards. You're going to number the number of lines and spaces. You finish a task, you're going to come over to your mountain and mark something like this, number 1, to show that you've completed the first task. Okay? You're going to do that for each one until you get to task number 4. The first team to complete task number 4, which is decoding those words, is the winner. Everybody needs to finish this. Make sure also you are all engaged. You're all going to have a little mini book that's a worksheet that basically does all of this stuff next week. And you all are going to need to do that, and you're all going to be graded on it. So if you're not paying attention to this, you're not going to have the skills you need to do that worksheet next week. The other place in the room on the whiteboard in the back, there is 2 charts that have a staff. One says space in the space. One says every good boy does fine. That will help you as you do your tasks. And there's also a thing that says do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Make sure you look at both sides of your chart. This one, you only do one side. The first and the last are only one-sided. But I believe task number 2, you have to do both sides. Task number 3, there's a clue in the back that will help you do the other side. So just make sure you're paying attention, and hopefully your teacher will be able to help you as well. So I hope you have a really good time. It's a lot more interesting than me standing up here and telling you all about it, and I hope you learn some things. Have fun.